Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, or Stuck a Foreign, where you're stuck with me and we always smiling. So I'm here with my little cousin right now playing daddy. I ain't ready to be no father, but still. Actually, we're doing a little grill thing. You feel me? They're doing up some fish and whatever. So we just got to the house pretty much right now, and we are chill. Oh, I got lucky enough, guys. I got my iPhone XS today, so I'm pretty happy with that. So the good part is whenever I, you know, do any vlog situation, I can actually use that if I don't have my camera. So that's the good part about it, guys. But anyway, I might show you guys outside pretty soon, see, you know, what the setup is, and you feel me? It's a food adventure as always, and I hope it's good. He's already eating his snickerdoodles. Show your snickerdoodles, baby. Where you at? Oh my God, so, did you guys see my nipples? Oh, that was weird, I'm sorry. I'm about to give you guys a quick walk around. I got my cousin on the grill. She doing it right. She got some burgers flipping and stuff. She got some hot dogs. Yeah, someone on the vlog said that she's sexy and she cute. What's up? Yeah, so that's what they're doing right now. Running these burgers. And over here they got some fish that my cousin, she also seasoned these up. Matter of fact, this ain't no snapper, these are sharks. You feel me? So we got this here.
Oh, you're black, I look like I can't cook, so.
Huh? Because aren't you cooking? Yeah, that's what you're doing. So we got some fish here. I think my cousin about to grill those. We got a few snacks over here. Got Michelle. And you got this one here. Like, guys, I need to talk to you guys real quick. So I had to educate Ann. So guys, I had to educate you guys too. When someone comes to your house for the first time, please give them the Wi-Fi password. This is what we do in the 21st century. Feel me? Then what?
What's a piece of freshness?
Then what do you do, Ann? Huh?
Same thing like that, what I did.
What? You didn't even say hi. You didn't even say nothing. Yeah, she out here putting these lights up and stuff. What do you call this? Tiki balls? She doing her tiki balls and stuff. This is real cute. It's a good look.
Don't eat.
What you do with the wieners?
The turkey.
Turkey wieners?
Yeah, at the front.
I hear you.
So we got a cousin who
don't eat
Good
me.
evening. Maybe
hi, how are you?
Me.
That's alright.
Let's forget the turkey burger. But I have turkey hot dog. But look for them big shot there.
Yep. And we got mangoes. Man, I think these are from Florida. We got buns and stuff. Feel me? It's gonna be lit. So, about to get me a drink. I like this. I can kick back tonight and watch these ladies work.
In lower, I just put a run in there. In lower, I just put a run in there.
What we got in here? Oh, a lot of people on my Snapchat be telling me about this Cee Grams thing. I'm telling you, it's lit, man. I ain't mad to know it.
And these strips out here.
Kicking back and hitting this. It's peach. It's really good. Yo. I wish these were in Jamaica.
Yeah. We ain't having people today. Huh? You need to come, men. It's just located there. Yeah.
What is this you're doing? You about to play music?
I'm trying to play some music, yeah. But I have all these uploads to make first, so I'll be right back.
Yeah, I'm about to help them go core some pineapples because they're going to take forever to do this.
Information we looked at what actually went on in the meeting and what happened in the meeting was that Rosenstein.
Alright, so we got the pineapples here that my cousin cut the top off. I'm checking she cut the base, but whatever. And she bought this very ingenious thing.
Will you start?
Yeah, I didn't even start doing it. Stop.
Be gentle with me things, them man.
Alright. That look like something I'm mad still in, but my cousin not tell me how to measure how deep it because I'm going far down in it. Eh? So pretty much this is what it does. Pulls out most of it like that. And then boom. Inside is like that. Yeah. I'm my thing. Alright. Cousin left on the measurements. Come through, Kim. Come on. Alright, so you don't want to be on the vlog, but anyway. So we're about to serve this up, I believe. What you doing, Michelle? What is it that you're doing?
I'm making pineapple slush.
Pineapple slush, okay.
Yeah.
What's in it?
We have pineapple that you pour, and I have ice. I have rum.
Mali boom boom boom.
Syrup, and I have syrup.
Pineapple syrup, alright. And then some Sprite. Alright.
Okay, so I'm just gonna pour.
Let's bring promos, no, because he's not that.
Come on, the rum drink. I want to measure out on the rum. No measurement.
Okay.
Alright.
I put more than that's in the other one. The other one that morning.
Yep.
I can see who's up to my channel.
The cord pineapples, alright. Malibu. Pineapples.
My friend said you need this one. You need a gun.
More pineapple.
More pineapples.
Oops.
I'm not
Oh, you want some? Oh, I didn't know you wanted.
What's that?
Coconut cream.
Okay.
That real.
Alright.
That's it?
Coconut cream. Alright.
I'm gonna put it.
Why is it so popular? Oh, what? My friend goes Billy back. My friend is Billy back. Hey.
You got the cored out pineapple.
Yeah. In my school, it do like this. No, it do like this. What?
Straw.
My stuff out of
Get off your foot.
Alright, Sean K on that roast fish. I'm well seasoned up with some hilarious garlic and salt and
Maggi fish seasoning.
Maggi fish seasoning.
And a nice pepper.
Pepper, don't know. That's something at the belly now. Where I put it at the belly? Ailalo. Ailalo.
Sorry, we don't have no. Well, we have okra, but I walk away from that for cook.
Alright, I run through, see what the chef did on. Right up on chef. It burned the chef.
Yo, why am I choosing something? This is Michelle's own.
It's Michelle's own. Alright, looking good. Start cooking up.
Of course.
Yeah, man. The thing I'll go and shut, man.
Alright.
The thing I'll go and shut, man. I'll pineapple on top.
So you don't have to.
Michelle, I'll go on top.
Somebody asked me if I have to turn it over.
It fit! So what's poppin', Ann?
I'm here chilling.
Chilling.
Pineapple slush, and it's very good.
Yeah.
Yeah, the vibe is good.
Is it a creeper?
Yeah, I think it's a creeper. I want it a little bit stronger.
Ciroc. Alright. What's up, Kim? Ready, Panchana? Yeah, man, fit again. And everybody else over there just chilling. Yep. Me there, so to just chill with that juicer. Pretty good. I added more Ciroc to mine. Actually, Kim did, so it's pretty lit. And we're just waiting for the sharks to be done. Alright, macaroni now. Easy. Wrap it up. Protect yourself. Alright, we're gonna get hot in here. Cause just in the fish while gone. See on your plate now. See it there? The grilled pineapple, lemon. You see me? But she do it wicked. It's like a crime scene already. Crime scene.
This is good.
Yeah. Fresh and nice. Watch it. It's nice. You ain't gonna do it, huh? Alright, let me stop. Fish are making at China.
If you ain't saying that, it's not no China fish. It's Jersey fish.
No.
Jersey fish?
No, man.
Deal with the heads wicked.
Restaurant depot fish.
Deal with the head again, sir. Deal with the head.
Deal with the heads wicked.
Let me tell you something.
Wicked.
Let me tell you something. Put the whole thing in your mouth.
Oh, snap. Look at that.
Them catch them in the Caribbean and send them go try.
Yo, I can tell you this, guys. My boom off bed. Yeah, of me. It's got me right now. I'm just. Yeah, so we are there. I just got done having the fish. My cousin's back there crying. Can you hear him? He was gonna go back out there. I'm gonna drink some more. You feel me? Don't get it twisted. I'm not like stupid dumb. I just feel like nice. I like drinking to the point where I feel, but I know what's happening. That's the point that I'm keeping at the moment. And I'm not driving either. It's my cousin that's driving, so I'm good. So yeah, I'm gonna head back outside and keep boom. When I get him, give me another one. We gotta take a drunk vlog, you know, and didn't even know what one. Just drop some corn upon it, you see me? Don't follow me on this stupidness here. I don't feel too right now. That's the first time actually really a roast show. It's kind of nice. I feel nice. Turn it down, look at it, turn it, oh god. That pop like popcorn. Pop, pop, pop. I'm showing us something really quick, watch out. Watch out. Shake it, warrior. Low. Keep making me another drink. I'm about to be lit. And I must film you. Look kind of nice. But I gotta edit it out. Don't ask me how I'm gonna do that. Yo. Turn that on that bad 6-0. Goalkeeper making too much goal, you see me? We gotta try to hold the goal them. But them still a shoot. I'm good. I know what's happening, guys. I know what's happening. Ask me what's happening. What's my motto? Love, nature, adaptation, and always remember to keep the link. I know that. Huh? That's 2. Like a bunny rabbit. 3, 5.
Nope, it's 4 and a thumb.
Anyway, we here, man. We just chilling. My cousin over there, she falling asleep. Shaky warrior from. You feel me? But you know me, like when I'm drinking my liquor, like I like drinking it like quick, cause I like getting to this point where I feel I'm not drunk. I know what's happening. I'm using the G7X Mark II as a Canon lens, 4.2 times 15 zoom. I know what's happening.
What's my name?
Huh? What?
What's my name?
Him.
What's my real name?
Roxanne. All right, so I'm telling you, I know what's happening. But I like this feeling, like I don't get this feeling a lot in my life, so I like it when I feel vulnerable. You feel me? I like this feeling because I like being in control, and right now it's like not so in control. It's good. But the corn is over there on the grill, and we're just waiting for it to get done.
Fancy corn with ribbons.
So guys, the ribbons on the corn because
corn has ribbons.
Alright, guys, the corns have ribbons because I did stupidness on the grill, to be quite honest. Like I never knew I should keep the hairs on it because I don't like hair on my stuff that I eat. That's not right. What? I have some roast corn there, so once I go on easy, go on with a mad easy with Kim and thing, and go and eat some roast corn. You understand? Baby over there crying and baby's crying. The baby is crying. Yeah, them swear me drunk myself, not drunk. That's well nice. Understand? And some syrup. Shelly, where the fun? You good?
I'm good.
Kim, where the fun? You good? Over there still, I'm not gonna let me process as it feel nice. And my eyebrow scratch me. But don't know. I represent. Anyway guys, remember these three things: love, nature, adaptation. And I always remember keep the link. I'm not drunk no more.